Hello, I am Subhaditya Bhattacharya from the Department of Physics in IIT Guwahati. I have an interesting announcement to make. I am going to offer an NPTEL course on the standard model of particle physics, which will be available from July 2026. What this universe is made up of, what are the fundamental constituents of nature, and how their interactions governs the laws of nature have haunted the human civilization since many years. So, lot of theoretical constructs and experimental marvels have basically given the present shape of what we call the standard model of particle physics. And I am going to take you through this fascinating journey of how the particle physics was developed in this particular course. In particular, we are going to focus on the key quantum field theory principles on which the particle physics is based upon, how the gauge symmetry principles allow you to write different kind of interactions, and how those interactions govern the processes between the fundamental particles, and how you can compute those cross sections and decay widths of those processes using this Feynman's diagram is something that we are going to do in quite details. Apart the flavor physics aspects, how the fundamental particles acquire their masses through Higgs mechanism are something that we are going to also talk about. Now, in this course, although I am going to focus mostly on the electroweak interactions of the standard model of particle physics, we are also going to touch upon what we call the quantum chromodynamics or QCD. Now, this entire course is going to have 60 half-an-hour lectures with adequate number of tutorials. If you have to look into the details of the topic wise division lecture wise, then you should go to the NPTEL website. The link is, I think, provided below the video. Now, the point is the analytical rigor, the mathematical expertise and the physics intuition that you actually build via doing this course is going to help you enormously in your future academic journey. If you are interested in doing research in high energy physics or in quantum field theory or in more formal theories like gravity or astroparticle physics or in cosmology, this course is absolutely indispensable. On the other hand, if you are interested in pursuing something like condensed matter physics, laser and photonics, then also the physics intuition that you actually build through this course or the analytical expertise that you build through this course is going to help you a lot. Lastly, I would like to mention that I have this habit of making things absolutely clear. I do the derivations very rigorously from the very scratch. So, I believe that if you have some exposure to basic mathematical analysis and you have some exposure to quantum physics, then you can make the most of the course immaterial of whether you are advanced undergraduate student or a postgraduate student. Also, I would like to remind you that at this age of AI, people say that the domain knowledge is actually going to be very important. And I think this course is going to help you a lot in building or rather acquiring some expertise in that direction also. So, with this, I would like to urge you to join this course, and this is going to be a lot of fun, and I am sure that I am going to see you very soon while the lecture is on. With this, thank you very much and goodbye.